This video will show you how to use the Redirect app for creating links in the navigation of your Canvas course. So I'm at the home page of my 5th grade Ecosystems course, and I need to look at the course navigation on the left-hand side and click on Settings. Then look up at the top here, make sure you have the Apps tab selected, and we can leave this at all, but if I want to see apps that are installed in my course, I can click there. I'm going to filter by name, and I'm going to type in Redirect and look for this app with the blue arrow. If I roll over it, it will give me a description of what it is. So click on this app. This app works a little differently than some other apps. So when I click on plus add app, I'm actually going to configure the app within my course. So click on this, and you get this little window that pops up. So this is actually how I add a link, which shows up in my course navigation on the left-hand side. So where it says name in this field, I need to change this to the name of the website that I'm going to link to. And I'm going to link to the National Park Service Media Gallery for my students. So I'm just going to use that. And I need to have the address or the URL of the website in this field down here. Just make sure that when you copy and paste the field that you remove this HTTPS, because you don't want this to appear twice down there. So I'm going to click up here to go to my website that I want to link to. I'm going to click and drag, and I'm going to highlight this address here in the URL field, and I'm going to do Control C to copy. I'm going to go back to my Canvas course, and I'm going to paste that into this URL redirect field, Control V, and then I'm going to look at my options that are down here below the address. So I don't prefer to have it to force open in a new tab. If I uncheck this, it will actually open the website within my Canvas course, like it's embedded in a page, which I like. I also want to have this link show up in my course navigation, and I'm going to uncheck the other boxes. Click Add App, and it takes you back to the Settings Apps page. Now if you see where it says Installed, this app will appear down here again. If you want to add another permanent link to another website, simply just click on this button and then click on the plus add app button, and you can then put in a new link to another web page. But if I want to see the link that I just made, I'm going to click on the home button, and then that refreshes my screen, and now you can see I have an MPS media link here on the left side. I'm going to click on that, and now the page opens nicely within my Canvas page, and my students can search for media that they might use in projects. If I need to delete this link here from appearing in my course navigation, I click back on Settings. I make sure I'm looking at Apps, but this time I'm going to click View App Configurations here at the top. Click on that. Now this is a listing of any apps that you have configured in your Canvas course, and if I want to get rid of my NPS media link, I click on this little gear with the drop down, and then I would say delete. Thanks for watching.